Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty lit Christmas ornament. This is just one of the ways that I display it. There are several other things that I do with the lights that I use for this project, which we'll also see later on the video, so please stick around. If you're new here, please subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit that little notification bell. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this lit Christmas ornament. The supplies that you will need are a bulb from the Dollar Tree, some of these bottle lights also from the Dollar Tree. This one has white lights and this one has flashing lights. You'll need a foam brush or paintbrush, some glitter, some Mod Podge, which you can also get from the Dollar Tree, some Epsom salts, and a container for the Mod Podge. I just used this old top of a box. And now in this foil, I'm just gonna mix the Mod Podge and glitter together. And you make it as glittery as you want it to be, rather. I didn't realize it at the time, but the reason why that glitter had a sort of greenish, yellowish tint to it is because it was glow in the dark. Found that out later. So I'm sure you've seen this part a million times on YouTube, and all we're going to do here is take some Mod Podge, and using the foam brush we're going to apply the Mod Podge to the plastic ornament. Remember to take the top off, and I had to go and get some paper to put underneath to catch the glitter, and Epsom salt. But you basically just put a layer of the Mod Podge onto the ornament. And it's best to work in sections. And then you just sprinkle the glitter Epsom salt mixture over the Mod Podge. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish covering the ornament in the Epsom salt and Mod Podge. And if you look there to the right, you'll see some floral foam. And I'm just going to use that to prop up the ornament while it dries. So you can use either this string bottle light. This is the white one, and this is from the Dollar Tree. It has 5 lights on it, and I've used this before in another DIY here on my channel. And it just has a steady white light. Or you could use this one, and this has flashing lights of different colors in different patterns. So the tops of these lights are not wide enough for this particular bulb. So I'm going to take the handle off of the top of the ornament, and then I'm going to hot glue the light into the middle of the topper. And you just need a little bit of hot glue. Make sure that it's in the center so the light switch is accessible. And I'm taking the ornament. I didn't let it dry completely, so it's still a little wet and sticky. But all you do is just take the light on the topper and insert it. And there you have it. So this is just one of the options. For the lights. And I went ahead and I tied a shoestring bow with some ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I adhered it to the top, and that's what that looks like. I probably should have dovetailed the ends, but I wasn't thinking about it at the time. So here it is on my tree. This is what it looks like. It gives off a lot of light, as you can see. So I think it's something the kids would really like. It's very eye-catching. And then this is what it looks like with the regular string of white bottle lights. So you can kind of see the glow-in-the-dark tint there. And then I set it on a Dollar Tree candle holder and set it on another DIY tray. They have these mercury bottles at the Dollar Tree. So this is what it looks like with the flashing lights in it. You can also use the white string lights in these as well. And then this is the bottled DIY that I did earlier on my channel. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with the flashing lights in it. Look how much light that gives off. I think my neighbors thought the police were there because of the flashing lights. And I just dropped it down into this LED candle that I got from Michael's last Christmas. This candle holder and base are another DIY on my channel. And then I took it and I put it at the top of the tree under some snowflake picks that I had. And I'm just showing you what it looks like there, and it just blends in with the tree. So that's what that looks like. And now for this DIY gift box that I made, I simply put the flashing light underneath it, and that's what this looks like. If you want me to do a DIY on that gift box, please leave a comment below and let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you. But this way is my favorite way of displaying this ornament. And I do prefer the white bottle lights in it. I just think it looks more classic. And you could glue that to the candle base, and that would make a great gift. But it adds such light and festiveness to your decor. Thank you guys so much for watching me make this lighted ornament. And I hope that you would like this video and subscribe for more DIYs. Thank you and happy holidays.